Hi everyone. As you remember, in the last episode, we talked about a very common verb in English, get. Having got this far, I'm here to continue this lesson. Let's buckle down and get it done. As an intransitive verb, which should be always followed by an adverb or a preposition, get can also mean to reach a particular point or a stage of something. For those of you who don't know what an intransitive verb is, I should say, an intransitive verb is a verb that never accompanies a direct object. Let's see the examples. I've got as far as chapter 5. I couldn't wait to get to the end of the book. Where have you got up to in this story? Next is get somebody, somewhere, anywhere, nowhere. If you get somewhere or if an action gets you somewhere, you make a progress. I think we are getting somewhere at last. We are making a progress at last. We didn't seem to be getting anywhere. We didn't seem to progress. I've tried arguing, but it got me nowhere. Get can also illustrate movement, to move or go somewhere. Here, get doesn't get an object and should be followed by an adverb or a preposition to. Get out of my house. We managed to get past the guards. They shouted at us to get back. Peter got to his feet, stood up. To make something or someone move to a different place or position, especially with some difficulty. Examples: the golfer lost 4 strokes trying to get the ball out of the stand trap. Could you help me get the wardrobe up the stairs? We must get food and emergency aid into the area as quickly as possible. As you can see here, get is a transitive verb and gets an object. To get can mean to become, to change to a new feeling, situation, or state. Get confused? Wait, I've provided good examples to help you understand it better. Don't get upset. She soon got bored with the job. He calmed down as he got older. Eat your dinner before it gets cold. This is getting silly. It also means to make someone or something change to a new feeling, situation, or state. Sometimes she gets me so angry. Don't get the children too excited. It took them 15 minutes to get the boat ready. Besides feelings, get is used to say that something, especially something bad, happens to someone or something. Get hurt, broken, stolen, etc. You might get hurt if you stand there. Mind the camera doesn't get broken. To make someone or something experience something, usually accidentally, get can be used too. You're going to get us all killed. Mind you don't get yourself burned. Or to do something, or arrange for it to be done. I need to get the washing machine fixed. We must get this work finished on time. The next use, to persuade or force someone to do something. Get somebody to do something. I'll get Terry to check the wiring for me, meaning I will persuade him to do so. We couldn't get him to sign the agreement, meaning we couldn't force him to sign the agreement. Got it, guys? In informal situations, get is used to show that you understand something. For example, I don't think she got the joke. I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. Means I don't understand it. Get can be used with WH words. Get what, get how, get who, etc. I still don't get how he knew about our party. Now guys, if not tired, let's take a look at 4 spoken phrases with get and wrap it up. Number 1. You get something. Used to say that something happens or exists. Example, I didn't know you got desert in Russia. Number 2. You've got me, or you've got me there. Used to say that you do not know the answer to something. Example, what's the circumference of the Earth, Mom? You've got me there. I have no idea. 3. It gets me, or what gets me. Used to say that something really annoys you. It really gets me the way he leaves wet towels on the bathroom floor. What gets me is their attitude. What makes me annoyed is their attitude. Number 4. Get this. This is mostly American English. You should draw attention to something surprising or interesting that you're about to mention. And the whole thing only cost, get this, $12. Well, my friends, finally we got this episode done. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it. As always, your support means a lot to us. See you.